video we will see how to fix error can't find bass.dll on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you are also facing such type of error code on your system, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. In settings page from the left side, go to system settings, thereafter go to right side and here look for the scroll down and look click on troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters and here run audio troubleshooters. Click on run button against audio troubleshoot and basically this error is dealt with sound or audio drives. So first and initial workaround should be run audio troubleshoot on your system and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button again and choose device manager. Here from the available driver list, go to audio inputs and outputs, expand it, right click on your audio driver as per your system and choose update driver. A new page will open. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and check whether your system error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type C and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator and in command prompt Windows execute this command as shown on screen to re-register your DLL file. To re-register your DLL file, execute this command in command prompt Windows regsvr32 space bass.dll and press enter and wait for some time. It will re-register your bass.dll file on your system. After that, don't forget to restart your system. And after restarting your system, check whether your can't find bass.dll error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on start button and same proceed with device manager. Choose device manager and here next time go to sound, video and audio devices. Sound, video and game controllers. Expand it. Go to your sound devices, inbuilt devices, AMD high definition audio device. Right click on it and choose update driver. Again choose search automatically for drivers. Whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again proceed with Windows settings. Right click on start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch settings page on your system. And here from the left side of menu, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Click on Windows security from the right side and choose virus and threat protection. Click on it. A new page will open. Here click on scan options and scroll down. You will find 4 options. Here choose full scan and finally click on scan now. It will scan your system for any virus and accordingly your error will be resolved. If not, go to the next fixes. Open run dialog box. Right click on start button. Choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key and here type RSTRUY and click on OK. It will open system restore Windows. restore system files and settings. Click on next. System restore can help fix problem that might be making your computer run slowly. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a restoration point. You may check against show more restore points and choose a restore points and click on next. Finally, confirmation point. You may create a restore points. How to create a restore point? Go to my video and you can also create a restore point, namely Windows Update, and check your issue. Restart your system.